students, I welcome you all to the Semstar Online Learning. This is Muskan Purwar and today I am back with the next topic, that is counting from 61 to 70. So students, before beginning with the topic, I hope you have learned counting till number 60 and you have learned number name also. Yes, students, keep practicing and keep learning it. It will be good for you only. Okay, so let's begin with the next topic, that is numbers from 61 to 70. Okay, so open page number 62, numbers from 61 to 70. Please open it in your maths book. Open it. So let's begin with the video. Now students, counting from 61 to 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. Now students, if you remember that how we have learned writing numbers in the place value form and in number name form. Yes, we have learned earlier. So students, there's no changes, just the digit is changed. Okay, so please don't be confused and pay attention here. Okay, so let's see number 61. Now the number 61 is of 2 digits. Yes, 6 and 1. Now you know that the number on right hand side is at the ones place and the number which is at the left hand side is at the tens place. You know that according to abacus. Yes, so students, in this the number 1 is at the ones place and 6 is at the tens place. So how we will write this number in its value form? Yes, we will write 6 tens 1 1. Yes, and now we will learn how to write this in the number name form. We know that 6 tens means 60. Yes, and 1 means 1. Yes, so what we will write? 61. Okay, clear? Now let's come to next number, that is 62. Now this number also have 2 digits, 6 and 2, where 2 will be placed at the ones place and 6 will be placed at the tens place. Yes, so how we will write this number? 6 tens, 2 ones. Yes, now 6 tens can be written as 60 and 2 ones can be written as 2. Isn't it? Now let's come to next number, that is 63. How we will write the number 63? We will follow the same step. Yes, 6 tens and 3 ones, which can be written as 63. Yes. Now let's come to next number, that is 64. Now in number 64, 6 is placed at the tens place and 4 is placed at the ones place. Yes, so we will write 6 tens and 4 ones, which can be written as 64. Yes. Now let's come to next number 65. Again we will write 6 tens and 5 ones. Why? Because 6 is at the tens place and 5 is at the ones place. So we will write 6 tens 5 ones, which can be written as 6 tens is equal to 60 and 5 ones is equal to 5, which can be called as 65. Clear? Now let's come to next number, that is 66. Okay, now in number 66, right hand side 6 is placed at the ones place and left hand side 6 will be placed at the tens place. Yes, so we will write 6 tens, 6 ones. Yes, which will be called as 66. Yes, we know that 6 tens is equal to 60. Yes, and 6 ones is equal to 6. So this number will be called as 66. 6. Okay. Now let's come to next number, that is 67. In number 67, again 6 will be placed at the tens place and 7 will be placed at the ones place. So 6 will be called as 6 tens and 7 will be called as 7 ones. Yes, and we can write it as 67. Yes. Now let's come to next number 68. Now we will follow the same step in 68. Yes. Why? Because this also have two digits where 6 is placed at the tens place and 8 is placed at the ones place. Yes. So we will write it as 6 tens and 8 ones. Clear? Which can be called as 68. Isn't it? Now let's come to next number, that is 69. Now 69 can be written as 6 tens and 9 ones. Yes, where 6 tens means 60 and 9 ones means 9. Yes. Now see students, we have came to number 70. Yes. Now 70 cannot be like this. Why? Because first of all digit is changed at the tens place. Yes, that is 7. Yes, and at the ones place there is 0. But the step will be same. It means 7 will be placed at the tens place and 0 will be placed at the ones place. So what we will do? We will write 7 tens and 0 ones. And we all know that 0 has no value. Yes, 0 means absence of something. Yes, so 7 tens is equal to 70. So we will write it 70. Clear? I hope these countings are clear to you all. Let's recall all these countings. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. Okay, clear? Now see students, on page number 62, one exercise is given over here which is based on counting from 61 to 70. Yes, in this exercise, somewhere you have to write the place value form and somewhere you have to write the number name form. Okay, so I hope after learning this, you can do this exercise yourself. Okay, and yes, keep one thing in your mind. Do this exercise with a pencil. Please do book work with the help of a pencil. Don't use pen or sketch pen or any color. Okay, keep your book clean. Okay, and write today's date, that is 9. Okay, now students, let's learn further, that is counting from 71 to 80. Okay, now see students, let's read these numbers. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. Okay, now let's learn how to write these numbers in the place value form and in number name form. Clear? So let's start with number 71. Okay, now as we all know that when it is 2-digit number, then these are placed at the ones place and tens place. We know this, so we will follow the same formula here. Okay, where 7 will be placed at the tens place and 1 will be placed at the ones place. So we will write it as 7 tens and 1 ones. Okay, which can be written as 7 tens means 70, just like the way 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40, 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60 and 7 tens means 70. Yes, so 7 tens means 70. We will write here 70 and 1 means 1. That is 71. Okay, now 72. So again we will write here 7 tens and 2 ones. Yes. over here. And 2 ones means 2. So we will write 72. Okay. Now in number 73, 3 will be placed at the ones place and 7 will be placed at the tens place. Yes. So we will write it as 7 tens, 3 ones. Yes. Where 7 tens means? Yes. 70. Yes. So we will write 70 and 3 ones means 3. Yes. So we will write 3 over here. Okay. Now let's come to next number, that is 74. Now students, number 74, 7 means 7 tens and 4 means 4 ones. Yes. So this 7 means 7 tens and 4 means 4 ones. So 7 tens is equal to 70 and 4 ones is equal to 4. So this will be called as 74. Okay. Now let's come to next number, that is 75. Now in number 75, there will be a same story. Yes, 7 will be placed at the tens place and 5 will be placed at the ones place. So what we will write? We will write it as 7 tens and 5 ones. Yes, now 7 tens means 70 and 5 ones means 5. Clear? Now let's come to next number, that is 76. Okay. Now in number 76, 7 will be placed at the tens place. Very good. And 6 will be placed at the ones place. Yes. So we will write it as 7 tens and 6 ones. Yes. Where 7 tens means 70 and 6 ones means 6. Yes. Now let's come to next number, 77, where this 7 means 7 tens and another 7 means 7 ones, which can be called as 77. Yes. Now let's come to next number, that is 78. Yes. Now in number 78, again 7 is at the tens place and 8 is at the ones place. So we will write 7 tens as 70. So we will write over here 70 and 8 ones will be equal to 8. Yes. So we will write 8 over here. Clear? Now let's come to number 79. Now same will be with 79. Yes. In number 79, 7 is at the tens place. So we will write 7 tens. Yes. And 9 is at the ones place. So we will write 9 ones, which is equal to 79. Yes. Now let's come to next number, that is 80. Yes. Now again in number 80, 8 is at the tens place. So what we will write? We will write it as 8 tens. And 0 is at the ones place. So we will write 0 ones. Okay. Which can be called as 8. Clear? Students, I hope now you are perfect in doing these questions. Yes, as we have already practiced so many numbers like this. Yes, so I hope you have no doubt while solving such questions. Isn't it? So students, this was all about till number 80. Okay, now see, exercises given on page number 63. That is numbers from 71 to 80. Okay, now in this exercise, you have to write the place value form and the number name form in the missing place. Okay, clear? So I hope you can do this yourself. Okay, so students, today we will learn till number 80 only and tomorrow we will discuss further. Okay, so till now, learn counting till number 80. Don't forget to revise the previous work. Okay, keep revising and keep practicing as it will help you a lot. Okay, so keep practicing and keep learning. Stay at home. Thank you.